say.
All right. About that, bro.
But they want point finger on other people. Why they not get up and do what they need to do? If everybody carry their own crosses, it'll be better. No wait till it happen to you. No wait till it happen to your son, your daughter, your niece before you say, oh, I may say, but I'm afraid for talk. Steve Lewis, don't know what animal, that my nephew that. Steve Lewis Pack, that my brother. Black.
All right.